At the column near the motor end, it is necessary to first connect the 3 wires of the power box: motor wire, light strip wire, windproof roller shutter wire, threading from the bottom of the column to the top of the column. Place the column connector in the middle slot and tighten the screws. Install the base plate and tighten the cross screws and hexagonal pins. Install the other columns in sequence. Find the corresponding lengths of crossbeam and sink for installation. Push the edge of the sink between the 2 screw holes on the crossbeam. The 2 metal sliders on the back of the crossbeam should be placed in the corresponding slots of the column. Tighten it with an Allen wrench. Connect lines with the same label. The windproof roller blind line will be connected later. After installing 2 adjacent beams, pay attention to the joint position of the 2 sinks, which should be exactly 90 degrees. After installing the 4 cross beams, it is also necessary to check whether the diagonal lengths of the columns are consistent. Take out the sink light strip. Twist the quick connector on the light strip. Loosen the screw on one side of the light strip with a tool. Pull out the light strip cable. Thread the light strip line out of the sink hole. The light strip wraps around the sink in a circle. Be careful when pushing and pulling the light strip through the corner of the pillar. Avoid damaging the light strip. Cut off excess parts with scissors, paying attention to trimming at the welding points of the light strip. Twist the previously removed quick connector back in place. Take out the lampshade and press it into the lamp slot. Install the flap blades and hook them onto one side of the motor crossbeam. The slots on the motor crossbeam are labeled with different types of blades. When installing the blades, follow the instructions on the labels and install ordinary blades in areas without labels. Motor blades need to be assembled by themselves. Complete the installation of other blades in sequence. Take out the linkage rod and connect it to the blade with screws. Be careful not to tighten the screws too tightly and just tighten the blue rubber ring. Plug in the power supply. Unscrew the screw and switch the remote control to 0. Press the up button to push the lever to the screw position and then press the stop button. After the push rod stops, insert it into the screw and unscrew the screw again. Install the cable box cover. Find the cable box cover that corresponds to the length of the crossbeam and install it on the crossbeam. Install the top cover of the column and tighten the screws. Install windproof roller blinds. The rolling shutter is divided into 3 main parts: left track, right track, and main body. Remove the track screws. Split the track into 3 parts: lower track, plastic track, and upper track. Insert the track into the end cover. Stand up and install it on the pavilion. When the roller shutter is close to the installation surface of the pavilion, first thread the motor wire of the roller shutter through the opening on the pavilion column. If there is only one set of roller blinds, the power cord and the motor cord of the roller blinds should be directly connected with a connector. If the pavilion is equipped with 2 or more sets of rolling shutters, T-shaped connectors are required. The wires connecting the next set of roller blinds are usually pre-embedded in the crossbeam. Use a laser level to shoot straight lines on the left and right tracks to ensure verticality. Fix with screws. Measure whether the diagonal and upper, middle, and lower dimensions are consistent. Take out the plastic track with a triangular opening. With one end facing upwards, insert the roller shutter zipper. Also check if the sponge is inserted into the track. Install the track. Twist back the screws that were previously removed and cover them with a rubber plug. The installation and wiring of the following sets of roller blinds can be done using the same method. After the installation of the roller blind, it is necessary to test it with a remote control. Use an impact drill to drill holes in the bottom plate of the column. Install the expansion screw and tighten it. Installation is complete.